Hey kitchen cuties! Are you tired of salads that are just a pile of lettuce? Hey, I actually like lettuce only salads, but we're not talking about me here. Let's improve our salad game with a couscous salad. It's as fun to make as it is to eat. It's vegan, it's colorful, and it's about to become your new favorite. My recipe that's linked below has instructions for cooking our couscous either on the stove or in an Instant Pot. I've made it both ways and I don't really notice a difference either way. This video is a little bit out of order because technically while the couscous was cooking, that's when I chopped my veggies. I dice red and yellow peppers and cucumber and I grate my carrots. But I also like to cut my carrots into cute shapes like stars. If you like edible confetti, you should try this too. I normally encourage composting. I have a compost in my backyard. But if you have dogs, I really think that instead of composting your cucumber ends, you should give it to the doggies. And they're not even paying me to tell you this. They just enjoy it. And it's probably good for their teethers, and you want to do things that's good for their teethers, right?
I see you, you see me, this feeling so heavenly. The moment you hold me, I whisper, I've missed you, I'm sorry. I've given all I have, I showed you the path. The ashes fall slowly, your voice wraps around me. As hours pass, I'll let you know. I need to ask before I go how it feels to rest on your patient lips to eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know. We're swaying to drum beats in motion. Our hearts meet. My patience controlling the question left unspoken. Retelling our stories, our laughter fills the gloaming. He knows me, we're leaving. You're closer, it's healing. As hours pass, I'll let you know. I need to ask before I go how it feels to rest on your patient lips to eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know the night holds us close. The stars guide us home. I've waited for this moment. We're finally alone. I turn to ask the question. My thoughts, they overflow.
One of the awesome things about this recipe is that you can kind of make it however you want. So that means that you can pick veggies or edible flowers or fresh herbs from your garden and you can add them to this recipe. And it's going to be delicious no matter how many alterations you make. it's time to make your salad dressing, you can either blend it in the blender or you can mix it by hand in a bowl. I use a blender because I added some fresh picked green onions from my garden. If you don't have fresh herbs, then you could probably just use a bowl. Okay, mixing everything together is the most fun part. Do you ever watch those videos of people making sprinkle mixes? Mixing this salad kind of gives me those vibes. The salad will stay well in the fridge for up to a week if you keep it in an airtight container. So it's a really good idea for if you do meal prep on the weekends so that you can have lunches or dinners throughout the week. And you can have it either as a side dish or as a main course. I usually just eat it on its own as a main course. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while we made the cutest couscous salad on the planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun vegan recipes. And if you try this recipe, please let me know so that I can be jealous of your dinner for a change. Bye!